Alright, we're going to unbox the Amtrak. Okay, Orange? Yeah, I know. And then I'm going to unbox this one. I don't know, we don't have much time, so here we go. Oh, the camera works. Here it is. Here's an Amtrak. Sounds like the Long Island Railroad. Put it on the floor. That is nice. I know. Alright, let's unbox the next one. Okay. Our next one we're going to unbox is the railroad crossing. I don't know, we don't have much time. Maybe there's a plug right here. I'll put it right here, so. Let me move my Tropicana so I don't want to get a trademark. I think this is easy, I don't know. I'll take a look. Yeah, there's a plug. I don't know how this works. There's a sign. And a crossing. Let's see how it works. Oopsies. Oopsies, the light bulb fell. Alright, let's see how this one works. Great. That was an easy unboxing. Now let's plug it. See if it works. Maybe not. Hold on. You know what? We're gonna try this when we get home. Alright, everybody. Got my crossing, so let's test this out. Here we go. Oops. Forgot to plug the phone. Here's the crossing. Wow, look at that. Alright, this crossing looks nice. Well, look at this crossing. Well, look at this. This is the Santa Monica. The Los Angeles, San Francisco sign station fell. I think this looks like an Amtrak, not Silver Star. Silver Star is in Florida. I'm going to get Thomas the Tank Engine. I think I'm going to get a remix in the back. Hold on. I'll do the all engines go and I'm working on this. Alright, here it comes. Oh, it's 9 o'clock. Alright, here we go. Alright, now let's turn it off.